We all know Nikola Tesla, the inventor, but what about the Serbian roots that shaped his genius?
Let's just start with Tesla's own powerful words about his identity. This was his core.
And look, this wasn't just some casual thing he said. It was absolutely fundamental to who he was.
So his story kicks off on July 10th, 1856, right here in the small Serbian community.
He was born into a Serbian Orthodox family, the foundation of his whole world.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. The unique blend of intellect from his parents.
So from his father, Milutin, he got this love for learning and a really disciplined mind.
And from his mother, Đuka, came that spark of practical genius and an incredible memory.
But it wasn't just his family. His mind was also shaped by this rich Serbian culture.
These stories of struggle and triumph, they totally fueled his imagination and his sense of purpose.
And these Serbian roots ran deep in the family. His three sisters all married Serbian priests.
Yeah, he proudly and consistently identified himself as an ethnic Serb throughout his whole life.
So, here's the key takeaway. How did this Serbian upbringing lead to changing the world?
See, his heritage wasn't just his past. It was the absolute foundation for his futuristic vision. So yeah, the kid from a small Serbian village literally went on to reshape our modern world?
One incredible genius, and his work, a total testament to the heritage he loved so much.
It's a powerful thought to leave you with. Where do our own sparks of genius truly come from?